Okay, and this is the how
मैम
the ozone is formed. Listen me. Ozone is
मैम
for the yes,
मैम एक
yes.
बारी स्टार्टिंग से वापस समझा दो, क्योंकि है ना वो क्या रिकॉर्डिंग बंद हो गई थी बीच में.
I am taking again. Listen me. तो फिर मैं अब शुरू से इस वाले से बता दूं how the ozone is formed. Listen.
ऐसा.
Ozone is formed in the atmosphere. O2 combined with O in the presence of ultraviolet ray. And what is formed? Ozone is formed. Listen me. Ultraviolet ray also, in the presence of ultraviolet ray, oxygen combined with O atom and form the O plus O. Yani 2 O atom is also formed. And that when the O2 combined with 1 O atom form the O3 in the presence of the ultraviolet ray. Yani these are the process by which ozone formed continuously in the atmosphere. Ozone is also formed in the atmosphere by the during the thundering. The large amount of light is released. Heat is released. In the presence of this lightning, O2 combined with O and ozone is formed. Okay, now listen me. The ultraviolet ray also responsible for damaging of the ozone. In the presence of ultraviolet ray, O2 back down into O2 plus O. And listen me. What are the causes of the ozone depletion? Ozone depletion is caused by beta chlorofluorocarbon compound. And now the question is arise, where from the chlorofluorocarbon compounds are released? Chlorofluorocarbon compounds are released from the refrigerator and AC industries. These chlorofluorocarbon compounds act as a catalyst to degrade ozone and release molecular oxygen. Okay, listen me. Chlorofluoro have permanent and continued effect as a chloride atom, are not consumed. Yes, listen me. Over the Antarctica region, there has been the thinning large area of ozone layer that has result in formation of ozone hole. Why? Why over Antarctica? Because over Antarctica, polar stratospheric clouds are present. More polar stratospheric clouds are formed in low temperature, and in the presence of these low temperatures, the chlorine combined with ozone and from the CLO, and CLO is formed and oxygen is formed, and CLO again combined with O atom and from the chlorine. That processes continuously. Oxygen is released. This is called the depletion of ozone. Now I am taking harmful effect of ozone depletion. What are the harmful effect of ozone depletion? Listen me, beta. When the ozone is absent, what happen in this condition? What happen in this condition? When ozone is depleted, in this condition, ultraviolet ray directly come on, and due to the ultraviolet ray, what happened? Mutation cause. What is the mutation, beta? Anybody else give me answer? What is mutation?
Sudden change.
Yeah. Structure, that is called the mutation. So DNA structure is changed, that is called the mutation. In plant, mutation also caused. In animal, mutation is also caused. इसके अलावा it damage cornea. Ultraviolet ray damage cornea. Okay, cause skin cancer. Ultraviolet ray also cause skin cancer, damage cornea. And the another effect of that, listen me, the cornea is damaged, that is also called the snow blind. Snow blind. The disease is called the snow blindness. Okay, due to the inflammation of the cornea. Due to the inflammation of cornea, the disease is called, that is called snow blindness. Listen me. And the ultraviolet ray also cause the different types of the cancer. Skin cancer is also caused. Okay, these all are the harmful effect of ultraviolet ray. Yes, any doubt you can ask me question. Now I am taking, how can we control ozone depletion? We can control ozone depletion when we use the other source. For example, when we use HFC instead of chlorofluorocarbon compound. Chlorofluorocarbon compounds are used in industries because non-poisonous, stable. Okay, but when we use the other substance, for example, HFC, है ना, hydrofluorocarbon, so the chlorofluorocarbon compounds are not released in the atmosphere. So the depletion of ozone is stopped. Okay. Next, that is the process by which we can stop the depletion of ozone. Any doubt? You can ask me question.
मैम
हाँ, yes.
मैम ओजोन तभी बनेगी क्या जब थंडरिंग होगी?
Thundering plus ultraviolet ray. Thundering, during the thundering, the large amount of lightning process takes place. Large amount of lightning is produced, electricity is produced, by which the O2 combine with O. Or in the presence of ultraviolet ray, O2 combine with O and continuously ozone is. But these are, or ultraviolet ray also damage the O3 into O2 plus O. But the all processes are in controlled way. But in the presence of chlorofluorocarbon compound, what happened? The depletion of ozone is increased. So ozone hole is formed. Okay? Yes, any doubt?
मैम थंडरिंग के अलावा कोई कंडीशन नहीं है क्या ओजोन फॉर्म होने की?
है ना, ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet rays also form the ozone. O2 plus O in the presence of UV ray. O3 is formed.
अल्ट्रावायलेट रेस होती है तो ब्रेक भी तो होता है, तो मतलब कैसे, कब वो ब्रेक कब फॉर्म होगा?
फॉर्म भी होता है, ब्रेक भी होता है. बोथ प्रोसेस आर साइमल्टेनियस, इक्वली चलते रहते हैं. ओके?
यस मैम.
Yes, any doubt? Any doubt? Listen me. And now I am taking what is that? The soil erosion and desertification. Soil erosion. What is the soil erosion? Blowing away of topsoil by air, by wind, by water, called the soil erosion. What is the soil erosion? Blowing away topsoil by wind, by water, called soil erosion. You know, beta, human being is also responsible for causing soil erosion. For example,
म्यूट हो गए.
human being is also responsible for the soil erosion. What are the reason for that? The one is called the overgrazing. When the overgrazing is there, the soil is uncovered by the plant and the soil erosion is take place. The soil is blown away by wind or water. And the another reason, what is that? Over cultivation and overgrazing, over cultivation is also responsible for the soil erosion. Yes. Now listen me. What are the when the soil erosion, what are the harmful effects? Yeah, what are the disadvantages of the soil erosion? Due to the soil erosion, what happened? The soil is unfertile. The small patches are formed in the soil, and these patches ultimately change into the desert area. You know what I'm saying? This leads to formation of the arid patches. By the soil erosion, arid patches are formed, and that area after some time change into the desert area. So what is the desertification? Due to the soil erosion, arid patches are formed, and that arid patches ultimately change into the desert area, and that is called the desertification. Okay, after the long time. Yes, any doubt? What is the soil erosion? And what are the disadvantages of the soil erosion? Due to the soil erosion, topsoil blown away by water and the wind. So the soil fertility is decreased. That is the main. And by which arid patches are developed. And that develop after the long time change into the desert area. Okay? Yes? Any doubt? Now the next topic I am taking. What is that? The water logging and soil salinity. What is the water logging? water logging in soil result from irrigation without proper drainage of water. Yani without proper drainage of water, irrigation process take place. Water collect in soil and that is called the water logging. Again, I am going to repeat. Water logging in soil result from irrigation without proper drainage of water. So what happened? Due to the water logging, salt present in soil precipitate and come on upper layer. What happened? What happened? The salt is deposited as a layer on land surface or collect near the roots or collect at roots. So what happened? Increase the salt concentration, damage agriculture. Plant will die. Due to the increasing of salt, plant will die. Okay, this is called the water logging and soil salinity. Listen me again. Water logging in soil result improper drainage system. Due to the improper drainage system, water collected in field and due to the collection of, this is called the water logging. And due to the water collecting, the salt dissolve in water and precipitate deposited as a layer on land surface and around the root. So plant will die. And this is called the salinity. This is called the soil salinity. Okay. And due to the water logging, plant cannot respire and the plant will die. What is the water logging and what is the soil salinity? Clear? Yes, clear? Yes,
Yes,
any
ma'am.
doubt? Now I am taking the deforestation. What is the deforestation? Cutting down of tree called the deforestation.
खत्म हो गए, 7 ही बच्चे
Cutting-
रह गए अब तो।
कितने बच्चे रह गए? कितने जने चले गए?
7
अभी अभी गए ना?
मैम, 13 से 7 हो गए।
ओके, टुमारो वी विल टेक द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक। ये बहुत गलत बात है। कौन कौन गया मुझे नाम बता। पहले तो वीडियो रोको, वीडियो में से हटा देना। ओके